Here's your snoring tip of the day. If you smoke, you happen to be more likely to snore. This is not only limited to nicotine, but other substances as well. Smoking in general inflames the upper airways of your respiratory system. This tightening of your airways makes it harder to breathe in and out. So what can be done? Experts recommend quitting cold turkey, but that's easier said than done. According to WebMD, some studies have even found that those who quit smoking temporarily experience worse instability in their sleep due to withdrawal. So if cold turkey is not for you, experts recommend reducing the amount of times you smoke before bedtime. Have your last smoke a little earlier in the day. Thanks for your time. I'll see you all tomorrow.